Pinamalas naman ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang economic persona nito sa pagdalo nito sa World Economic Forum on ASEAN sa Cambodia, kung saan inilatag ng Pangulo ang mga development at ilang infrastructure projects na pagtitibayin ng Pilipinas at Japan sa Nobyembre at gayon din ang twin package ng Dutertenomics na kaakibat na matatag na seguridad ang malakas na ekonomiya. Nagbabalik si Rocky Ignacio.
Itinuring na economic persona si Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa idinaos sa World Economic Forum on ASEAN, kung saan isa ito sa mga naging mahalagang bisita. Kilala kasi ang Pangulo sa matapang na lumalaban sa ilegal na droga at kriminalidad. Pero sa kabila nito, maayos anya nitong nailatag ang economic agenda ng Pilipinas sa ilalim ng Dutertenomics na may temang Build, Build, Build.
Ang tanong ko kanina is, how was the reception of the World Economic Forum with the economic persona being projected by President Duterte? Let me address that by saying, beyond the applause, nagpapalakpakan pag nagsalita siya, meron ho mga pulong-pulong na ginawa ang ating Pangulo, where I was privileged to attend one. Ang tawag ko doon is bilateral talks.
Kabilang kasi sa hinarap ng Pangulo ang malalaking negosyante para sa pagpapalawak ng pamumuhunan.
Kausap ko namin yung AirAsia na kung saan sinabi ng AirAsia si Tony Fernandez, Mr. President, just to show my faith in your country and my trust in your leadership, I am ready to expand my air travel coverage in Manila. Now in Caticlan, I can go to Puerto Princesa. I can fly to Davao. And Mr. President, if the law would allow, I'm even ready to help put up airports. This is a specific, very clear indication on the acceptability of the President's leadership insofar as his economic program is concerned. Tama ho, nagpapalakpakan, nagtatayuan, but beyond the standing ovation and the applause, is a commitment to invest in real terms in our country. That to me is a glaring manifestation of the very well accepted economic program exemplified and perorated upon by the President.
Layunin ng Dutertenomics ay mapanatili ang maunlad na ekonomiya kasabay ng pagbabawas ng antas ng kahirapan sa bansa. Kabilang na dito ang pagpapalakas ng infrastruktura kung saan pinag-aaralan ang pagtatayo ng subway sa Pilipinas, ang proyekto na pagtitibayin ng Pilipinas at Japan.
We have mentioned before, as we would like to mention again now, JICA, which is spearheading this project, has agreed that the loan agreement between Japan and the Philippines hopefully will be formally signed in November when Prime Minister Abe would have visited the country.
Kaakibat rin anya ng malusog na ekonomiya ang matatag na seguridad. Mahigpit rin anya ang programa kontra graft and corruption.
Well, the other feature, by the way, of Dutertenomics, which is very important, is speed in the planning, processing, and execution of projects. So, meaning that we are going to depart from the practices of previous administrations for projects to take so long to get processed and implemented. So, President Duterte is action-oriented. He admits that he's impatient because he wants to get things done quickly in order to alleviate the suffering of people in the regions. Poverty reduction and inclusive growth.
Para sa PTV News, Rocky Ignacio, Hong Kong.